Welcome everybody to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to be doing a screen printing related video, and it's going to be putting the Ranar the Econo Backlight Washout booth. So we're going to go through all the steps on installing the washout booth, and hopefully we don't have too many screws left over or bolts. So I'm going to put you in an area here because we're going to try and do everything on this this platform, these empty crates, and see if we can catch you. See if we can get you in the action. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the legs, attaching the feet. So we're going to do that with 8 bolts, washers, and nuts, and let's get started. So I believe these will be the legs. And you have 4 holes on these legs, and pretty much it's all repetitive. There's 2 of everything. Pretty much it's everything on one side is on the other, so you just got to make sure you have 2 of everything. So this is one of the feet, which has the 4 holes that line up with it, and they're going to go this is going to be on the inside. So you're going to have this lip. It's going to be on the inside of the washout booth. 4 bolts and washers, and then 4 nuts, and then the tools. Okay, so in my particular case, these are going to be 7/16 inch sockets. And we're going to do it from the inside like this. Hopefully I can get a good view. Hate to keep moving you guys around, making you dizzy. All right, maybe that'll be better. Okay. So we're going to put the foot like this, a bolt to one side with a washer, and then we'll put a nut. Okay, and we'll go ahead and do the other side. Okay, just like that. Alright, we'll go ahead and get all 4 in there. The last one. Now the instructions might say use a zinc plated hardware, and then some are going to say use a stainless steel. How you can tell the difference is the zinc is a lot more brighter, shinier, and the stainless steel is a little bit more dull. It's not as shiny. Let me see if I can. Well, when I pull them out the bag, I'll show you the difference and see if you can tell on camera. And gotta keep this thing, gotta keep it level. I have to find something. A piece of wood. If you have a piece of wood that's heavy enough, I can use. Hello. I'm going to use this. This actually came from one of the crates at the very bottom, so I'm going to use this to keep it straight up. So now I'm just going to tighten them down. And that's pretty tight. You don't want to get too crazy, just tight, and then just like an eighth of a turn, or not even a quarter of a turn. It's tight, and then just a little bit of turn. Tight, and then just a little bit of a turn. Okay. So those are 4 bolts, 4 washers, and 4 nuts. We've completed one leg, and so we're going to go on to the next one and do the same thing again. Now I believe if you wanted to, you probably can use like blue lock. It's just, there's not going to be no vibrations or anything like that, but you know, if you move your washout booth a lot, if you think you're going to be using, moving it and vibrating it and just banging it around, usually when your washout booth is set, it's going to stay there. It shouldn't move. But if you do, you can get the blue lock, which will look something like that. And you could use it, and it'll just it just locks the threads so that they won't break open and loosen up over time. I mean, you probably don't need to do it, but you know. Alright, so that's the second leg done. Let's put these to the side. We're going to break away, and then we'll come back when we get all the other pieces for the next step.